channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We're just heading out for some morning coffee to get the day started. We got a pretty big day today. Got some new news to share with all of you. But let's go get some coffee first and then we'll have a chat. Coffee obtained. Now we're good to go. Got some fuel. Full tank of gas. Now, let's head back home and then we'll do a little story time. Welcome back home. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Story time. The Nissan Versa. Yep. We still have it. But we did something pretty crazy. So we were off to Cobb's Adventure Park here in Calgary. And you have to make an appointment for when you can actually go to the park due to COVID. So we made our appointment and we were on our way. But as we were getting there, there was railroad tracks and there was a train coming. So my kids and wife were like, "Daddy, beat the train." There was no lights, no bars coming down. There was no reason that we needed to stop. Instantly, Fast and Furious came in my head and I was like, full send. We pushed the gas down and I went for it. And then, boom, we hit the railroad tracks. We went flying. All four of us in the car hit the roof. We came back down, we bounced up again. What a blast. It was so much fun. It's something that I think my kids are never ever gonna forget. Long story short, we broke some parts in the Nissan Versa. It still drives, but the ball joints are so loose now that the wheels like to flutter. So we bought a new car. Yep, we did. If you're not new to the channel and you're an OG, you probably remember this car before. But I really enjoyed this car so much that we actually went back to get another one. So, without further ado, here's the new car. Versa 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Yep, exact same spec as our last one. You guys should know how much I enjoyed this car. But this is going to be a safe and reliable daily while we get the Versa fixed. So now we have a friend from work coming over, Hopeton, and we're going to help him change the brakes on his Infiniti. So keep watching and let's get to changing some brakes and drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the new car. I know it's not a BMW. I can't afford 2 BMW payments, but this one, the price was right. And if you want to know more information about it, drop a comment and I'll make a video on it. But let's get to changing some brakes. All right, we got the Jams 2014 Infiniti. We're doing the brakes because Infiniti told them that their brakes were almost done. I don't know.
2 millimeter.
They said 2 millimeters left. That looks more like 4 millimeters. And when you compare them from the old pads to the new pads, they're about 50%. So I think the dealership was trying to dupe them into changing the pads and charge them $2,000 when it wasn't needed. But they did go and get the carbon fiber ceramic brake pads with some new rotors, so this big beast should stop like a dream. Here we got calipers cleaned up. We got the rotor mounting plate and dust shield cleaned up and painted. Mama Bear wanted yellow calipers on her beast, so that's what she's going to get.
Oh yeah.
So we got the new rotors on, calipers nicely painted, front done. We got the other front done and the rear. So we just have one more rear to do. We got the last rear brake to change. So this rotor is difficult to get off because the emergency brake is like a drum brake in here. These have been here for so long that trying to get this rotor off is challenging, as well as because of this trailing arm on the suspension, you can't get the bolts all the way out, and then in here it's difficult to get on that 14 or that 18 millimeter bolt. But with patience and jacking it up a little bit to straighten out the arm, it makes it a little easier. So let's get this last one off, painted, and then we can go for a road test. Brakes have been changed. They all look absolutely incredible. Looks all brand new in there now. I think Mama Bear.
Looks good.
What do you think? Mama Bear's gonna be super happy?
Yes, you will, man.
All right.
Great job, Viking.
Let's get this set back down. We'll close the hood. And now, because they're carbon fiber ceramic pads, you have to go and bake them in. There's the instructions usually on the box or in the box, but this is a very, very critical step when you upgrade your brake pads to this style. So let's go cook these brake pads, set them in, and then we'll be good to go. Brakes are changed. We went and cooked the brakes in. You had to go from 40 mile an hour down to 10 mile an hour 5 times as hard as the vehicle would stop. And then you would go from 35 down to 15 moderately braking 5 times, and then you just drive for 5 minutes without trying to touch the brakes, letting them cool down. So we went out on the country roads. There's nobody around. We could speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down, and not have to worry about impeding traffic or causing any problems. And then because we were driving down the country road, we got the 5 minutes of cool down time, and now the brakes feel really, really good. So thanks to Hopeton and Darius for hanging out for the day. I hope Afia enjoys her new brakes and nicely painted calipers, and also we undercoated all of the wheel wells and did all that stuff. So looks really, 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 really good. I hope you really enjoy it, Afia, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just kind of a random automotive day of working on cars, something that I just truly love doing. So if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate all your guys' support. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.